You just got your coffee, but it's wrong. How do you fix it without being rude in English? Today, you'll learn the kind way to correct an order and to keep everyone in a nice, smiling mood. I'm going to tell you a story of an interaction. Don't worry about the text yet. Just listen to the story. Then I'll teach you the useful lines from the story. And finally, we'll practice speaking the lines together. Here's our story. I'm waiting at the pickup counter. The barista calls out, "Large latte for Roy." I walk up, but I notice the cup size immediately. "Oh, sorry. I think this isn't mine. I asked for a small." The barista checks the ticket on the cup. "Oh, my bad. Just give me a second." "No problem. Take your time." She quickly makes another cup and brings it over. "Here you go, a small latte." "Thanks for fixing that." "No worries. It happens all the time." She smiles, and I can tell she's relieved I wasn't angry. "Appreciate it," I say, and I take the cup. Correcting someone can feel a little bit awkward, but the right tone fixes everything. Start with, "Sorry, I think this isn't my order." Using the words "I think" makes it softer, less aggressive. Then clarify exactly what happened. I asked for a small, not a large. Be direct, but calm. Great alternative here would be, "Actually, I think I ordered a small." Both phrases signal a mistake, but you're not blaming the person. When they apologize, you want to show you are patient. "No problem. Take your time." This is the perfect response that allows room. It takes the pressure off the barista, and you can also say, "It's okay. No rush." When they hand you the correct drink, you can acknowledge the effort. "Thanks for fixing that." Is much better than just "thanks." It shows that you appreciate them when they were correcting their own mistake. And it keeps the interaction kind. Now, let's read the dialogue lines from the story so you're ready to use them. "Large latte for Roy." "Oh, sorry. I think this isn't mine. I asked for a small." "Oh, my bad. Give me 1 second." "No problem. Take your time." "Here you go, a small latte." "Thanks for fixing that." "No worries. It happens all the time." Appreciate it. If you're finding this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other lesson. My goal is to help you speak English naturally and automatically without translating in your head. To guarantee you can use these fixing phrases in real life, the premium audio loops are waiting for you on my Patreon page. You can find the links in the description. Excellent! Now, let's practice speaking. Say the lines with me. Large latte for Roy. Oh, sorry. I think this isn't mine. I asked for a small. My bad. Give me 1 second. No problem. Take your time. Here you go. A small latte. Thanks for fixing that. No worries. It happens all the time. Appreciate it. Good practice. Remember, focus on the reflex, not any specific grammar rules or sentence structure. I will see you in the lesson coming up.